Hi, Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Uh, First of all, thanks so much, Edmund, for allowing us to make online session for today. Thanks so much, Edmund. First, in between, I dropped my session, because of due to the connection issue. So I came here for live to make how to build up a strong confidence towards English toward audience. You can share your views. You can share your experience how we can build up a strong confidence towards audience. Are you listen me? Myself is Naveed Hassan from Pakistan. Are you guys are listening me? Are you seeing me? 11 people can join us. We make today how to build up a strong confidence towards audience, towards peoples. In first session, I attained many things how to build up a strong confidence towards audience, towards peoples. In things we have learned many things how to build up a strong confidence, how we can learn English language, how we can speak English frequently. If we are confused somewhere to talk with anybodies or with any friends or in the class, in webinar, in seminar, whatever else we have to speak, we can share our views how we can build up a strong confidence. First of all, every no one perfect and no one never be perfect. First of all, things keep in mind, no one be perfect and nobody can never be perfect. If anybody is attain perfection, then she would to be died. Why she he is living? She would to be died. He would to be died if anyone is perfect. So nobody can be perfect in any regards. Either you are Englishman, either you are attaining English knowledge, either you are speaking, or either you are debater, either you are trainer, either you are speaker. Everybody in the position of learning. If we learn things, we can learn more things. So if you have any suggestion to learn English, because we all of peoples from international countries gathered here to build up a strong confidence towards English. Our first aim to build up strong English, and frequently we can speak frequently English towards anybody, towards public, towards regards of the peoples. 50 peoples are join us. If anyone have any suggestion as a leader, can share here, because so many have confusion to speak in English. As me, if I talk personally, I also have many confusions to talk in public. I can't a single fear in me that can't be able to speak in public, that is criticizing me. People are not criticizing, myself is criticizing me. So in this regards, how we can build up a strong confidence? So if we want to, I take your comments. After a few minutes we will discuss our knowledge about how we can build up a strong confidence towards uh, English. Asad Mia, yes, Salah, but the problem is the accent, unfortunately. Yes, of course. Satifa, this is English or Hindi? Yeah, this is English. I am speaking in English, my brothers. You can learn. This is a language of English. I am Naveed Hassan. I am the student of graduate from Pakistan. So if you have any confusion regarding you can't speak in English, even you can't be able to speak in public, my if I talk to myself, I also have lot of fears in my mind. I also have lot of confusions in my mind. If we can't take risk, we can't see at the upper side, we can see at the another side. If we want to take risk in life, then we were able to see what is on the other side. If we are not taking risk, then we are like a dead bodies. If we are improving ourselves, then we are going to improve ourselves. First of all, see yourself. I can do it. I can do it. People came and appreciate you. People came and criticize you. This is your life. This is your life. You can to build up your own life. If you can't to build up your own life, then how people can appreciate you? If you are not going to appreciate yourself, people are the second priority. First, you are the best for yourself. If you are not best for yourself, then how people are came and not people. We have not a shortcut for success. We have not a shortcut for destination. If we want to go at destination, we want to learn many things. We want to learn day and night. We want to speak. We want to question. We want to answer. So how I can say I am perfect? Practice makes the man perfect, but there is perfect. No one can never be perfect. Practice makes the man best. If you want to be best, then makes practice more and more. If you want to be best and you want to be give best, so if you have any confusion, if you have any fear in your mind, you can speak, you can debate, you can speech, you can question. If you are not going to question yourself, I am fearing someone is criticizing me, how I can build up a strong confidence? If someone is criticizing me, then how the people build up a long confidence? People came and criticizing. So there is all people are not same. Five finger, you saw my five finger. These finger not equal to each other. There is something different in all of them. So we can't say every and all men are equal. There is a huge difference in all the personalities in all human beings. As let's suppose a forest. In forest, if we consider all the animals are same, I question to yourself, if we are thinking of forest, in forest we are can imagine all the animals are same? No. Answer is no. If the answer is no, then how people can criticizing you? This is the main headache. This is the main fear in all of them, that people are criticizing me. I can't do it. I can't do it. So if you want to be learn English, we can improve ourselves. We can attain new things. We can furnish ourselves. If you are practicing, practice makes the man perfect. If we are not doing practice, if we are not taking risk, then how I can say we are changing ourselves? Are you have any questions? Are you have any suggestion regarding this? You can ask. You can suggest me. Oh my brothers, I am not complete. Oh my brothers, I am not complete. I am trying. I am trying to do anything. First, in first session, I will make confused myself. I am a good debater. I am a good speaker. I am a good speaker. I am a good translator. If I can't practice, I can't do achieve anything. If I want to achieve anything, we should to make huge practice. So what suggestion about this? If you have any suggestion, then share here. We can attain something. We all are in the learning position. If you want to be share some knowledge with us, you can share. I am a student. I will be learn from every person. If you taught me, yes, if you taught me, I learned from every person. So I am not discouraging, I am not criticizing anybody. I am not. Even in my whole life, I can't dis I disagree anybody. I suggest anybody. I saying every person you can do it in your life. If you are doing anything, people came and criticizing you. So it is upon you. Either you want to be build up a thing, either you want to build up a empire, either you want to be build up a strong confidence, either you want to be build up a strong relationship. In all of you, in all of regardings, we should to be attain knowledge. Knowledge is a power. If a single person is taught us, we should to be in the position of learning, we should to be in the position of to learn everything. So I will turn to comments and will see what you are sharing your views, you are sharing your suggestions. We have first comments. Yes, good confidence, keep it up. Yes, thanks so much. This English or Hindi? Yes, brother, this is English language. I am not speaking in Hindi. You can differentiate, everybody can differentiate, but I am speaking in English. How we can say it's not a Hindi? But the problem is, certainly and unfortunately, brother, it's not a problem. It's your fear. You can get it rid from your practice. May I join? Yes, you can join. First of all, we should to learn English grammar vocabulary and work hard. When if we have knowledge, we will have the confidence to speak in English. If we have talent to knowledge, then once have laugh at us, and we will more confident to speak in front of anyone. Rimsha Rao, thanks so much. You are saying absolutely right. I appreciate you. As you are saying, people laugh. Oh, so, oh my dear, people are laughing, or people are saying you like a madman. If the first thing for your success, if people saying you are mad, then consider you are traveling to your success, because all the mad peoples establish a huge thing, establish a empire. All the mad people, they are not mad. Actually, people are mad because they are saying to them mad, they are establishing an empire. So it is not too much easy to establish a empire. It's not too much even. It's like not a single thing to achieve. Best example, bro. Thanks so much. I appreciate you. Ramsha Rao, thanks so much. Yoti Bajaz, bakwas? How? How you can see it's a bakwas? So it's your right, you can say. You can say, my brother, it's a bakwas. I am elaborate this verse. Bakwas means useless, and the things you can't even learn a single thing. It's like a bakwas. Some people are saying bakwas, so it may be bakwas because I am also a student, you are also in the position of learning. If anybody are saying that he is perfect, then he will be perfect. I can't say this is bakwas. So if you are not imagining yourself are all other people in the position of learning, then we will say that we all the people are in the position of learning. We all are student, we are not perfect. So we can't say it's bakwas. We can't only say it's best. We can improve, because this is your views, you can say it. So I salute you. Anybody have any suggestion regarding this can speak, because I am also a confused, not a confused person. I am not a confused person. I am deeply confused person. I am saying myself. So if you are imagining you are depressed person, you are in the depression, so you can establish a great thing. Because if you are not thinking, you will be a critical thinker. So if you are depressed, so you can learn more things. anyone have any suggestion can share. We will share our views, we can share your views, we will share your own views. If you are thinking you can do something in word, in words, life is not bed of roses, life is a bed of thorns. There is no shortcut to success, there is no shortcut to destination. If we want to be success, we should to be work hard enough. If people are criticizing, then should to be salute. If people are appreciating, then should to be salute. Yes sir, yes ma'am, yes sir. If the people are criticizing you, it's not a problem, then say yes sir, thanks so much for your sharing your own views. If people are criticizing, then yes sir, thank you ma'am for sharing your own views. There is I can't say this is a mentality. A man shares a single word, so you can say even a single things to any person. So you can share your own suggestion towards confidence, towards English language, towards aim, towards destination. I am talking myself. I am so much confused. I am a person of depression. If I can do it, you can do it. Yes, you can do it. If anyone have any suggestion, but i I am saying I am a younger, you are all are elder, my brothers and sisters. You are you are all are pure, you are all are best. But I am trying to do something, so you can share your own views, can share your own stories. If you are not sharing, how I can understand my elder brothers, elder sisters, elder peoples? So if you want to be learned, you can taught me anything. I will be learned from you, all of you. So you can share your own knowledge, own suggestion, own points of view. If anyone have any suggestion, can share. My name is Naveed Hassan. I am from Pakistan. Dil Pakistan. I am from Pakistan. I want to be practice in English. First of all, thanks so much Adamant for allowing us to make live session, to make international conversation, to take different point of view. Thanks so much Adamant. If you anybody have any suggestion, can share. Kareem, don't worry about your accent, brother. You can improve it. You practice every day. It's the best way. Thanks so much, dear Kareem. Gulthil Nelly, hello. I am from Edukar. Yes, sir. I am here. If anyone make to live video calls with me, I will be permit him. He can take a video call. You can share your knowledge in also comments. I will be speak your words. I am translator your my brother. I am translator. Anil Yadav, I am from Nepal. Thanks so much for coming, Napil. I am from Pakistan. Gultil, where are you from? Yes, I have already told I am from Pakistan. Thanks so much for coming. And you can share your own knowledge. Anil Yadav, bro, where are you from? Broadcasting live. Yes, I am broadcasting live from Pakistan. If you want to be make conserve, you can comment here. I will elaborate all of things in your session. If you have any confusion regarding this, you can share your knowledge here. We will be improve your knowledge. Anil Yadav, Akmal Shah, it use. If you are student, I suggest to please know about basic grammar. Akmal Shah, absolutely right, brother. I want to be in the learning position. I am not perfect, so I inshallah I will be improve myself. Thanks so much, Akmal. Tajsees, thanks so much. Nice. Hello, I am here. You can speak. You can comment any question regarding this. If you have any question, you can speak. My mother language is not English, but I am trying to my do best in English. If you have any confusion regarding then you can share your knowledge. Can I talk with you? Of course you can talk with me. Of course, suggest me. I can send you a request to join. You will be appear in live session. If anybody have any confusion, can share your knowledge. I am sharing my knowledge. If you are seeing that you have some fears, that you have confused, that you are depressed, I will be here. I am also depressed. I am also confused. I am also a bad person. I am saying I am bad. Then how people can say you are bad? How people can laugh at me? Even I am laughing at me. Then how people can laugh at me? If you are saying you are wrong, if you are saying you are at the wrong position, that then you are the best person in the world. If you are admitting your English, no one perfect, every man make mistake. If we make mistake, then three works to do: make mistake, admit it, learn from mistakes, learn from it, and don't repeat it. If you make mistake in English, in confidence, in class, in nations, in your country, in your village, in your society, if you are making mistake, admit it, learn from it, don't repeat it. If you are not admitting your mistake, then you can't learn even a single thing. How Hulu, add me with your talking. Yes sir, I am accept your request. If you are sending me to addition in live session, how to speak nation, speaking nation, how to speaking nation. Either you are asking that my speaking nation is Urdu. You are have some idea about Urdu. Urdu is our national language. Even if you are seeing any person speaking Urdu, then he will be belongs to India or Pakistan. So our national language is Urdu, but we all have the personal relationship with international friends. We can make a huge scope in our country, in our world, because a man can never be in a field. If we discovered things, we should to be aside, you should to be close to our limits. So if you want to be strong confidence, strong English speaking skills, strong speaking, then you should to be have strong relationship with every country. Tajiz Lwarze watching this and session from Philippines. Thanks so much for coming. What's your views about session? How it can be benefits for you? I am not talking about you can only appreciate me. You can even criticize me, because criticism is also a step to success. If a man don't criticizing you, then you can't go to the success. If you are facing difficulties, facing criticism, then you should to be towards your own success. If anybody want to be like conserve, I will permit him to be in session. If you have any confusion, thanks so much for everyone to coming here, and from international countries, from different sides of worlds. Here we can also be first of all, thanks so much Edmund for allowing us to speak in English in this group. Thanks so much Edmund. Second thing, this is thanks so much Facebook. If we don't have the tool of Facebook, how we can talk with a huge people in one side? We can't imagine. It's also possible. Thanks so much internet, thanks so much networking. How we can reflect ourselves in a single frames. So if you have any suggestion, any views, any depressed things, you can share your knowledge, you can share your views, you can share your about selves, your things. You can't speak if you can't learn. If you can't learn, you can't achieve anything. If you can't achieve anything, you are not a living person. If you are a living person, then you would to be go towards success. If you are towards going to success, then you should to be maintain a good confidence, then you should to be maintain a good English language. If you we are trying to give our best. Yes, we can try our best to achieve big things. Yes, all the people are saying a quotation, big dream and dare to fail, big dream and dare to fail, big dream and dare to fail. Guys, big dreams and dare to fail. If you are seeing big dream, you are going to achieve a big destination. If you are achieving a big destination, it's a huge success is waiting for you. It's a huge success is waiting for you to come here at the screen and to build a new things, and to build a new discovery, to build a new discovery in the society, in your village, in your country, in whole world. Yes, I am here. Nagiv are saying, hey, I'm from Amazon's Brazil. Yes, I am from Pakistan. Anyone have any questions can ask here. I will be answered. If you are depressed, I am also depressed. If you are confused, I am also confused. If you are student, I am also student. If you are in the learning position, I am also in the learning position. Three steps you should to be maintained if you want to be build up a strong confidence. If you want to build up a English language speaker, if you want to be become English language stories, then you should to be practice. Practice makes the man perfect. Then you should to be appreciate other, then the people came and appreciate. If you are in the position of criticizing, if all of time you are criticizing people, how people can appreciate you? My question is, if you all the time criticizing people, how the people are appreciating you? If you are in the position of appreciating, then people came and appreciate you. If you are always in the position of you can't do it, you can't do it, you can't do it, then how you can do it? This thing is in your mind. First of all, remove this thing. You can't do it. I am saying you can do it. Big dream and dare to fear. Yes, brother, you can do it. Yes, you can do it. Yes, uncle, you can do it. If you are not making a huge thing, then you are not discovering new thing. Then you are not leading to your success. If you are going towards success, then you would to be make strong yourself in all of aspects of life. Then you would to believe your confidence. Then I am also confused. I am also a depressed person. So I want to be learn new things. I want to be discover new things. I want to be motivations from others, from peoples, from other all of the regards. I am saying all the people are appreciating each others. Rudra Roy, I think you are confident enough to talk in the front of public. Rudra Roy, I am so much excited for your appreciation of comment, because I am confused enough. I can't speak in public, but people are saying I can't do it, but I can say I can do it. First of all, I am the student of graduate. I can't never joined a single seminar in the presence of thousands and hundreds people students. I can't. If I joined, then people came. My friends, even my friends Farhan, Anjum, and Faisal Aslam are came and saying, "What you want to do? What you are want to going?" Even my friends, my close friends, my bestie are saying, "What you are doing? What you want to do?" If my friends are saying that, how I can do things? If my friends, my close relationship are saying you can't do it, then said me how I can do it. Then people, I am not saying about people's, I am saying about your close friends. Please select those friends who are appreciating you, who are not criticizing you, who are not in always the position of criticism. I am not saying remove your friends, remove those friends, remove negative friends, keep it, but makes new friends that are appreciating you, because all the people are not in the same ways, all the people are not have same sense, all the people have not same vision to take a new discovery. Rudra Rai, why are you depressed? You are talking frequently. Rudra Rai, I am depressed because it's a screen. It's a screen, I can't speak. But if a webinar, if a seminar in the presence of a huge crowd, I can't speak. This is my weakness. I I didn't want to say I can't speak, but I can't speak. I I just imagine I can't speak in the public. I can't speak. I am easily speak in the front of screen because there is no people who are saying, "Oh, what are you doing?" This is a screen. So screen can never be beat me, screen can never be criticize me, screen can't never be laugh at me when I'm making to in the position of crying. So if I am crying, then screen can't never be laugh. So it's too much easy to speak at the front of screen, but it's so much I am depressed, Rudra Rai, I am depressed in the to speak in public. If you have any suggestion, you can share your views, your comments, your sessions. If you want to be join live, I will permit you, you can join live. If you have any confusion, if you are depressed, I am also are your same kinds of people, so we will make our new things in ourselves. Yes, you can do it. Yes, I can do it. Yes, I can do it. Say yourself, yes, you can do it. Then people came and criticize you. People doesn't matter. People came and criticizing in all of your life, even at least you are dead. Then if you are dead, then people don't criticize you, people don't imagine you. If you are dead, so if you are dead, then there is no thing to improve. If you are alive, then people came and criticize you. Rudra Rai, it will come gradually, it take times, but with kind efforts you near putting in, you can do. Rudra Rai, thanks so much. Even you are for your valuable appreciating comments, because you want to say I can do it. Yes, I can do it. Yes, I can do it. If you are saying yourself, you can do it. You can do it. You can do, then you also can do it. If you are in the position, if you are not do it, then you can't even do it. If you are in the position, you can do it. Yes, I can do it. Alam Khan Abru, he, yes, I am here, you can ask anything. I will be share your views, I will be answer your questions, I will be suggest you anything. If you are suggesting me, if you have taught to me, I would learn something from you. If you have some things to share your views, you can share your ideas here. I will be I am in the position of learn new things. If anyone have new things, to new discoveries, to new things to start us, to start other peoples, we are in the position of learning from you guys. Thanks so much. If you are have to start something for us, if you are taught something to us, we are the lucky persons. We are even lucky, so much lucky person, that we are learn something from you. If we are in the position of learn something from you, then we are learn something from all of you guys. If you are sharing your views, sharing your comments, sharing your knowledge, sharing your experience, experience makes a man perfect. Practice makes the man perfect. Talk to the mirror. Talk to your close friends. Talk to your class. Talk to your screen. Talk to your mobile. Talk to your inner self. Talk to your inner self. If you are talking yourself, then you can achieve a huge thing. The weather is so cool in our country, so this is near to be very coolness. M.A. Salah, which country are you from, your brother? Thanks so much, my brother, for valuable comment. I am from Pakistan. I am the student of graduate. I am learn from new things from all of you guys. You are joined my seminar. If you are joined my seminars, webinars, live session, you can have to give a single suggestion for me to learn new things, to achieve new things, for your valuable comments, for your sessions, for your life, for your word. Thanks so much of all of guys for joining me. MS Lah, are you have any suggestion? How do we improve our knowledge? Rudra Roy, are you have any suggestion for all those people, those are depressed in life, that they are attempting, that they are going to attempt suicide? Suicide is not a permanent. Suicide is not a solution of depression. Either suicide is a solution of depression, either suicide is a solution of fear, either suicide is a solution of misunderstanding. Either suicide is not a solution, it's our fear. I am feared when it comes to talking, you will find no one. Rudra Rai, why are you saying so? The huge people, all other humans are present to help each others, to help their brothers, to help their sisters. All other humans are present. We not our enemies. We are all our brothers. We can give any suggestion. We can laugh at us. If we want to be laugh, then you should to be laugh. You should permit your close friends. You should permit your sister. You should permit your brothers. Permit all of us that you can laugh at me. Then you can laugh at me. You can laugh at me. You can criticize me. You can appreciate me. You can even make everything. If you want to be build a strong things, if you want to be build a strong confidence. Rudra Rai, thanks so much for joining me. You are why you are afraid. Why you are afraid? I am saying yourself. Why are yourself confused? Either you are have less confidence. Either you are a person of depression. Either you have some slow knowledge. Either you have slow speaking skills. Either you have less communication skills. Why you are afraid? First of all, things about what is the fear. uh, what is the fear? Define the fear. Fear, my friends, learn about fears. Fear is FEAR, forget everything and run. Fear is stand for forget everything and run. Fear, Rudra Rai, fear is about forget everything and run in your life to achieve your goals, to achieve your destination. Rudra Rai, achieve your different destination, achieve your success. आरिश अमरी, हाउ आर यू डूइंग? तुम कैसे कर सकते हो? हाउ आर यू डूइंग? आई एम ऑल्सो आरिश, I am also a confused person. I am also a depressed person. I also have less confused. I have not so much communication skills, but I am trying my best. I am trying to give best performance. I am trying to achieve new things. You can do it. I am saying you can do it. Aresh Rai, let's speak with together. Yes, of course we can speak together. Aresh, I am present for you to speak. Call to me, man. Oh, how I can call us here? either have any option to share live call with you. Rudra Rai are saying, have you ever tried to talk to your close friend in English? Can you share your experience? Oh, Rudra, I am saying, if I want to be talk my close friends, they are criticizing me. I am Rudra. I am saying about Farhan Anjum, Ahmed Mujtaba, Faisal Aslam. These three are my close friends and my whole class. If I want to be talk in English, if I want to be say about some person, male person, then I am saying she. They are laugh at me. How you can say she? Even you are talking about male person. So close friend can make criticize you. Close friend Rudra, close friends make you criticize, laugh at you, but we can't say anything because they are close friends. We can't say a single things towards our close friends. So we should to be beer and target your aim, adjust your timetable and work according to destination, work according to your success, work according to your aim to any achieve anything in your life. Kedar Kumar, good effort, bro. You can do it. Keep going. Thanks so much, Kedar. I am salute you, Kumar. Thanks so much for appreciation. Yes, bro, you can also do it. You can also achieve new things. You also become a Sandeep Maheshwari. You can also become a Qasim Ali Shah. You can also become a great speaker, great trainer. Rudra Rai, and now you understand the problem. Yes, I am also understand the, which place you are stay now. Asma, thanks so much, Asma, joining again. This is because of Asma. Asma, you are a big motivation for me because you are appreciate me. I am also doing some things. Thanks so much, Asma. You will your valuable comments for first, for and last. Thanks so much, Asma. Where place you are stay now? I am from Pakistan. I am from Pakistan. I am from Pakistan. So I belongs to Pakistan. I am living in the Pakistan country. Asma, I am living in the Pakistan country. Rudra, that's why it said you will find no one. Rudra, what do you want to be saying? I can't find no one to say anything. No, I found I face many peoples, but the great motivation comes from yourself, your inner self. If you can't motivate yourself, then how people can motivate yourself? If you are not making a single things for you, then people how can people can came and criticize you, people can appreciate you, people can people can came and give shortcut to your success. Brother, there is no shortcut to your success. Make a hard work, make your aim name, work hard until your signature becomes an autograph. Works hard, Rudra. Asma, works hard until your signature becomes an autograph. Aresh, you great. Stop. I can't start saying I can do every problem things. Aresh, what do you want to be say? Yes, brother, you can do it. You can do it. Every person can do it. Every person have all the facilities that gods have created us. Allah Almighty have given eyes, hands, nose, lips, hairs, ears, all the facilities Allah Almighty have giving us. So we are confused, why we are depressed, why we are less confident. So why? What the things are discouraging us? Either we are poor, either we are belong to the mediocre family, either we are the belong to the Punjabi family, either we are belong to the a country that have no reputation, either we are belong to the a class have no importance, either we are belong to a degree that have no values. My brother, you have values, you have your own importance, you have your own attitude, You have owned your own standard, you have owned your confidence, you have owned your aims, you have owned your destination. If you have all of things, then why are you confused? I am saying, why you are confused? Yes, yes, you can do it. Yes, you can do it. Yes, you can do it. Then I am saying, brother, you can do it. What the things are criticizing you? Why the people are criticizing you? You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. I am saying you can do it. People are saying you can't do it. Your close friends saying you can't do it. Your family are saying you can't do it. Your class is saying you can't do it. Your teacher is saying you can't do it. Even the whole world is saying you can't do it. Even you are saying yourself, I can do it. Then you can achieve that things. If you are saying yourself, I can do it. If you can do it, everyone can do it. I can do it. Rudra can do it. Asma can do it. Aresh can do it. Kadir Kumar can do it. Every person can do it. We all are the same relation of human beings. Human beings. We all are the human beings. Allah gives us first priority of all of your creation, of all Allah creations. We are the first priority because we are all the humans. We have sense, we have knowledge, we have heart, we have minds, we can achieve, we have hands, we eyes, we are thinking abilities, we are critical thinker. Then I am saying you can do it. You can do it. If I can do it, then you can also do it. Then if Shahada Afridi can do it, then you can also do it. If Qasim Ali Shah do it, then you also can do it. If Sandeep can do it, you also can do it. If Sonu is can do it, you can also do it. If Bill Gates can do it, you can also do it. Then what's the thing is criticizing you? Why the people are disturbing you? Why? Asma, try to positive vibes that can help to do you do better. Nice suggestion. Asma, thanks so much for your valuable suggestion. This is the first point towards success. If we are thinking negative, if we are thinking negative, we can't do it, we can't do it, we can't do it. If we are saying to peoples, you can't do it, you can't, we are negative. Somehow we think about self, we are negative. If we are thinking positive, then this is easy way towards success. If we are thinking negative things all the time, things negative things all the times, we are disturbing all the times, we are criticizing all the times, we are I can't do it, I can't do it. If we are saying to inner self, then how we can do it? If you are appreciate yourself, if you are appreciating your friends, if you are appreciating your environment, if you are appreciating your society, if you are appreciating your class, if you are appreciating your brothers, if you are appreciating your sisters, if you are appreciating the whole world, if you are appreciating your city, then you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Then you can also do it. Then I can also do it. If you want to be say you can do it, then anybody can do it. How I can motivate the others in the front of screen? How I can motivate? This is not a technique. This is I can't do it. I can do it. I can do it. Say yourself, all is well, all is well, all is well, all is well. Say nothing is happen, nothing is happen, nothing is happen, nothing is happen. If you are saying yourself you can do it, every person can do it. Every person can establish your own environment. Every person can establish a huge environment. Every person can establish new things. Every person can achieve your goals, your destination, your aims, your dreams. Then if we are thinking I can't do it, I can't do it, I can't do it, then how you can do it? If you are saying yourself You can do it. The person is watching me. You can do it. The person is watching me. You can fulfill your dreams. The person watching me. You can fulfill your aims. The person watching me. You can change your words. You can change your knowledge. You can change your society. You can change your environment. You can change your mind and thinking habits. If you can do it, everyone can do it. How we can say I can't do it, I can't do it, I can't do it? If we are going to appreciate ourselves, then we also do it. If we are discouraged ourselves, then there is no possibilities of doing that. We are going to establish new things. We are going to establish a huge environment. We are going to establish a new things. How how I can do it if we are not in the position to say yes, you can do it? If you can do it, I can do it. Every person can do it. So thanks so much for every person to share your valuable comments, share your valuable suggestion, share your valuable views. Sleva Ella, yes, I can do it. Yes, dear, I am saying you can do it. Make you strong enough. You can do it. Enough strong, you can say yourself, you can do it. Yes, Leva. Yes, you can do it. I can do it. Every person can do it. If you are thinking a dreams, if you are thinking I am, if you are thinking a speech, if you are thinking a dream, destination, aim, environment, society, to change a huge, to bring a huge change in your village, in your environment, in your class, in your society, in your country, to bring a huge change, then you should to be work hard. You should to be enough try to yourself. You say yourself, yes, I can do it, I can do it, I can. Always remains in the position of I can do it, I can do it. Asma can do it. Aresh can do it. Slavat can do it. Every person can do it. If you are thinking, yes, you can do it. If you are in the position, you can do it. If you are in the position of attaining knowledge, you can do it. Thanks so much for everyone for your valuable suggestion, for valuable comments, for valuable your knowledge. Asma, yes. Aresh, yes. Rudra, yes. Leva, yes. You can do it. I am saying you can do it. Why the people are criticizing you? Why the your close friend are criticizing you? If you are not saying yourself, I can do it, I can't do it, then you can't do it. If you say something about you, you can do it. You can achieve a big thing. If you can't do it, you learn from it. You learned from it. If you can't do it, if you learned from it, then again trying and complete yourself, complete motivate yourself, and again try at your aim, at your destination, at your target, at your goal, so you can do it. And say a single words to you, you can do it. Say a single words, a combination of four words, a combination of four words. Say to yourself, yes, I can do it. Yes, I say I can do it. Every person can do it. You can establishment your own empire, your own government, your own uh, destination, your own seminars, webinars, your own class, your own university, your own knowledge. Then learn from all things. Learn from all the things from Aresh, Asma, Rodra, Sleva. All the peoples are have to taught. I am thanks so much to everybody for your valuable time I have taken. I hope your time is not going to be disturbance. Your time is not going to be distract. Your time is not going to waste. I am say something. I am wasting your time. If you are thinking I am wasting your time, then you can leave. If you think I wasting your time, if you can, you think you are thinking, if you are thinking right now, my seminars can brings a single improvement in your life, then listen the whole seminars, then listen the whole session. Thanks so much, Edmund, for allowing us. We can make a live session. We also say something to the peoples of international countries, to the peoples of all around the world, to the peoples of all around the world. Thanks so much. Yasser Jani is saying, why are you looking at the left side again and again? Oh yeah, I am looking at left side because at the left side is session is running. Because at the left side your comment I have to read. If Yasser you are doing comment, I am saying to see at the left side. So I want to see at left side. There is no Aladdin Chirag at left side. I have my own words, own knowledge, own experience, own confusion. So I am seeing left side. Yeah, I think you reading some. Yes, sir. What you want to be see? Um, I am looking some page. I am looking at some books. Then you should to be can your talks in your eye contact. I have maintained my eye contact. You can do it if you can achieve, if you have dreamed in your life, if you have saw a dream, if you have saw aim, if you are ambitious in your life, if you want to be do anything in your life, you can do it. I am saying you can do it. You can fulfill your aim, you can fulfill your dream, you can fulfill your target, you can fulfill your goal. If you are saying yourself you can't do it, I am saying yourself you can do it, my brother. You can do it. All of the people yes can do it. If you are looking at my live session, say a single thing, yes I can do it, yes I can do it. Yes sir, say a single words, yes I can do it. If you are thinking I am, I do it, you can do it, everyone can do it. This is a huge appreciation. Ahmed Ali, no let anyone discourage mint, you are wonderful person. Oh thanks so much Ahmed Ali. We want to be say yes Ahmed, you also can fulfill your dream, you can also fulfill your aim, you can also fulfill your target, your goal, or one day will reach Ahmed Ali. Inshallah you will be a successful person in your life. If you are saying yourself you can do it, I will be give guarantee you can do it. If you are saying yourself you can do it, I am giving guarantee to you, I am giving guarantee to you. If you are saying yourself you can do it, then you also fulfill your aim, your success, your dream, your aim, your target, your goal. If you are saying you can do it, and one day will reach, inshallah you add your own your success. If you are not at the wrong way, if you are at not wrong road, if you are at the staying at the wrong road, where you are going, what are you doing, why are you doing, then you can't fulfill your aim. Yes, first learn to say something, yes you can do it, everyone can do it. Yes sir, you can do bro whatever your dream is. Yes, yes sir, thanks so much. I can do it, inshallah I will do it. If I live long, if I not died, if I died before my aim, then it's not to say. If I have a long life, then I will establish my own empire. You will establishment your own empire, your own goal, your own target, your aim will be fulfilled one day. If you are right now depressed, I want to see why you are depressed. If you are saying a single thing, yes, you can do it. If you are watching my live session to say something, I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. Yes, you can do it. Difficulties makes your immune system too strong. Difficulties makes your immune system to establishment of big things. So why are you afraid about difficulties? Difficulties came and makes you strong. Why you are difficulties? Why you are difficult in your life? Why are you are thinking negative attitude? You should to be positive. Stay positive. Even any person have taught, even a single child are going to criticize you, are going to have taught some things. Learn from them, learn from him, learn from her. If a single baby have taught us, we are ready for learn from him, from her. You are the great peoples, you are great human beings. So if you are taught me, I will be learn from you. If you are criticize me, I will be learn from you. If you are laugh me, I will be criticize. I will be learn from you. All the things, all the things at the end, I will learn from you. The people is at the right now in the live session. Are you got my point of view? Are you got my vision? Yes, you can do it. Yes, you can do it. If you are watching my seminar, write down a valuable comment. This comment will be written my diary. This my comment written my in whiteboard. At my whiteboard, this comment will be written in my heart. If written is I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. Yes, you can do it. You have any question, you have to ask. You can ask in comments. Yes, 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 you can do it. Yes sir. Yes sir are saying talk to me. Yes brother, I am talk to you. You can talk to me. You can make a question. You can make a discovers new things from me. You can make a huge empire. You can make your goal possible. If we are learned from I am possible, impossible is saying I am possible, I am possible, I am possible. The word impossible is saying I am possible. Then why you are saying impossible, impossible, impossible? Yes, this is possible. Rodra, I think we should try to talk on different topics to improve our English. Yes, I have got your point. Thanks so much, Rodra. You got my points. Yeah, absolutely right. I am saying we should to be discuss different topics. We should to be discuss different things to gain knowledge, to gain English, to improve our English, to improve our confidence level. Danish, today if you are laugh, you nahi laugh me. Yeah, of course. If I want to laughing, if I want to criticizing, I am not criticize the other people. I am criticizing myself. If you are imagine other, you can be imagine myself. You can be imagine yourself. If you are imagine other thing for the others. If you have any questions, you can ask. If you have any confusion, I am also a confused person. I am also a depressed person. I am also again motivation. Learn new things day and night. Learn. At least say yourself, I can do it. I can do it. Say yourself, I can do it. I can do it. If I am saying yes, I am can do it. I can do it. I can do it. Then you, my brother, Tanish, Ahmad Ali, Yasser, Rodra, you also do it. If you want to be do it, every person can do it. Every person can do it. If you want to be say, you can do it, you can do it. Single, write a comment, I can do it. Write a comment, I can do it. Write a comment, I can do it. Then you can do it. If you are appreciate yourself, yes, yes, all is well, 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 all is well. I can do it, I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. Then you can do it. The people is are watching right now. Say something, have some suggestion for me to improvement. If you are looking, I should to be improve some things in myself, you can suggest me. I am very respectable for your comment. Yes, I can do it. Suggest me a single thing, I will pick up new things from your suggestion. I am very happy to talk with all of you. Emma, Rodra, Danish, Yasser, Sleva, Asma. I am very happy to talk with all of you guys. Thanks so much to make my live session to a beautiful, to make it so impressive, to make it so motivated, to make it like a speech, like a debate, to make it like a I am thinking I have something to do. You have also something to do. You can do it. Thanks so much for joining me. If you have any suggestion, you can ask at last. At last, at the last, I would to say. I would like to say yes, yes, yes. You can do it. Yes, I can do it. Yes, everybody can do it. If everybody can do it, yes, you can do it. If you can do it, every person can do it. If every person can do it, yes, you can do it. Come here. Here me to my brothers. Yes, he will be say, yes, he can do it. This is my younger brothers. Yes, she's how much he he is so cute. Yes, my brother, you can do it. The people is seeing you. You want to be learn from some things. You want to be say something. You can't underestimate. This is my brothers. I have talked about him. He was to explore new things in your life. If you are want to be say some things to achieve your goals, or you have something to say your guys, are you do it? This is my brothers. I am saying you can do it. Say them, you can do it. Say, you can,
Yes.
you can,
Yes.
you can
Yes.
do it. You can,
Do it.
you can.
Do it.
This is my brother. He is saying you can do it. I am saying you can do it. We are the both are saying you can do it. Both are saying you can do it. Why you are saying yourself you can't do it? Go. If you are thinking you can do it, every person can do it. Thanks so much all of you guys for your valuable comments, for all valuable suggestion, for your valuable views. Thanks so much Edmund, thanks so much everyone, thanks so much everyone. If you have see my, if you have watched my session, write a comment, yes I can do it. Write a comment, yes I can do it. Write a comment, yes I can do it. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz. Yes I can do it. Allah Hafiz.